The EUHOMY 10,000 British Thermal Units Portable Air Conditioner efficiently cools spaces up to 450 square feet, ensuring comfort in various rooms like bedrooms and living areas. This versatile device combines three functions in one, offering cooling, dehumidification, and fan options to cater to different climate needs. With a noise level reduced to 52 to 54 decibels in sleep mode, this air conditioner provides a peaceful environment for rest. The unit includes a user-friendly control panel and a convenient remote control with a 23-foot range for easy adjustments from anywhere in the room. Designed for mobility, the air conditioner features 360-degree wheels and ergonomic handles, making it easy to move and install in different locations. Energy efficiency is enhanced with a smart timer and auto restart function, allowing for preset operation and reduced energy consumption.